In this video, I'll show you the procedure to find downloaded videos on Telegram. To find downloaded videos on Telegram, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here's what you need to do it. Make sure that your device is connected to an internet connection. Then here you want to go ahead and look for a file, or you just want to go with the file explorer or manager. What next you could do is here you could either go ahead and look for the Telegram files, or you could just go to the downloaded section. And you want to go ahead and swipe over here, and you could go ahead and look for any of the downloaded that's related to Telegram. So what you could do is, if you are unable to find, so you should be able to find it here. You could also type in by looking for Telegram on the search box. You might be able to find the category. If not, you actually want to go ahead and open up your Telegram itself. And what you have to do is click on the try bar icon in the top right, go to settings, and here you have this downloaded section. So you want to go to data and storage, and here you want to go ahead and make sure that automatic download or media is selected. And you also want to make sure to select the device, or you also want to make sure to select the destination. And then you want to open up the file or file manager. You will be able to locate it on the downloaded section. So this is where you could find your downloadeds, this is where you could find a downloaded video on Telegram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.